Wow! What's this?
This is the North Pole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Where's the snow?
Hey! Kingdom Christmas Light Contractor Pack. Let me explain this to you. 1,000 feet spool socket wire C9. 2 bags of 50 connectors, 50 females and 50 males. 250 lamp core wire. 750 clips by Directional clips, the best on the market. Oh yes. And we have also 750 LED bulbs, very efficient. And you can pick the color you want. Kingdom Christmas Light Contractor Pack, only for $1,100. Give us a call, 346-291-4492.